What's up, YouTube? Kyle here to bring you guys a new video, a shoe unboxing video. Basically, picked up a new pair of Stan Smiths from Adidas just because the Canadian site was having a discount on specific things, and I did kind of need a new pair of white sneakers because I have Velcro ones and it's kind of childish. And yeah, making up for that by just picking these up for a deal. And I'm going to review them. I'm actually pretty happy that Adidas did deliver this within 2 days. I ordered it on the 5th, got it in today. I was really surprised it came in that quickly. Shout out to Adidas. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Yeah, so I did take it out of the box. Taking it out of the packaging. I don't understand why this is like really damaged. I guess it makes sense when it's like in that gigantic like box and it's just scraping everywhere. There was literally no like thing to keep it from moving from side to side in the package. That's why I was wondering why the package was super oversized. It's kind of really bad, but yeah, like that's kind of, you know what I mean? Let's get to open these up. The other colorways did sell out really quickly just because first time it sold out today. But yeah, so far, see it, clean silhouette, just because I got the nice little yellow Volt colorway actually. It says Smith on this side and the other one does say Stan. I'm going to show you. But this is very clean. I would have like preferred specifically the triple white pair, but they were on sale, so I settled for these. But it's a pretty good like substitute for the triple white. Like this is also like, I don't know, I like Volt so I can deal with that. But the leather is really good. Like, it's not bad comparing to the other one I have. The one that has like the green at the back. The other one like feels a lot less better than these. But I just got to try these out, right? How they wear over time. But as you can see, this one's white. The stand on this one. His face. Yeah, I just needed basically a nice pair of white leather sneakers that I could use just because it's just good to have. At least one anyways. Well, I have one white canvas, but I needed a leather one that didn't look like kiddish. So I did pick them up. If you guys want to see more videos and reviews on the stuff I pick up, comment, rate, subscribe, like the video, and I'll obviously make more. So peace.